Hello everyone, this is Siddharth, and let's go with this question, which is to some second. So we will be starting this series from this question, and as I have already told you that this will going to be two pointer. First, we will be uh, solving all the question which will be coming under two pointer approach. So this is the first question that you guys should solve. So let's start. So first, obviously, we have to make a two pointer, which is uh, start and end. So let me first tell you how we will going to solve this question using two pointer approach. So let's take this array as an example, which is 2 7 11 15. So the array is, let me see again, 2 7 11 15. So 2 7 11 and 15. So what we will be doing here is that we will be taking two pointer, which is start and then end. So in all of these upcoming questions, we will be like using this approach. So this question uh, will serve as a base for all the upcoming question that we will be solving here in this series. So I would suggest that try like grasping the concept of this question very well. So let's start. So start and end will going to be the two pointer that we will be using here. So now what we will do, we will start in while loop until and unless our start will become greater than end. So now we will calculate the sum of these two digit, which is 2 and 7, 2 and 5. Now we will calculate the sum of these two number, which will going to be 7. And what is the target given to us is 9. So here it is, the 7 is not the correct answer, and the array is already sorted. So we have to just increase our start pointer and decrease our end pointer, or the vice versa, one in each case. So here obviously this the sum is less than target, so we have to increase our sum. So for that we have to increase our start pointer. So we will be doing start plus plus if our sum is less than the target. Only then we will able to increase the value of our sum. So then we will be moving on to 7. So now we will be adding 7 plus 5. That will give us 12, which is also not equals to a target. Then we will be like, and the target is obviously less than, here the target is 9, so which is less than that. So we will be decreasing our end value. So that will give us 11. Sorry, hi. This will going to be 11, and here we are already here at 7. So let me do it first. So from here we have started from 2 and 5, 2 and 15, and we have added it. The answer will came out to be 17. This is 15, not 5. Okay, so the answer is 17 here. Now we have to move on to the next element from the right side, because the sum is greater than the target. So we will be coming to 11. So now the answer will become 2 plus 11 is equals to 13, and this is also greater than the target, so we will be moving on to 7. Now these will add up to our target. Here we will stop. So now let's code it out as well. So first we have to make two pointer, which will going to be start. It will start from 0, obviously. Then end will go up to nums dot length. Now we just have to start in while loop until and unless start will become greater than end. Now we have to calculate the sum, which will going to be numbers. This is our array. Sorry, this will also be numbers dot length, and the sum will equals sum will going to be numbers start plus numbers end. Okay, so this will give us the sum of the current two pointers. Now we have to check if this sum is equals to our target. In that case, we have to return those two duplet, which will going to be the start and end index. So for that, we will be returning an array, and we will be uh, returning left plus 1, start plus 1, start plus 1, and end plus 1 as well. Why we are doing plus 1? Because we have to return the actual index. Here we don't have to consider the zero base indexing. So now in the else case, what else we have to handle? So else if our sum is less than the target, then in that case we have to just like we have to increase our sum because it is less than the target. Then we just have to move to the right side, so we have to increase the left pointer here. And in the else case, we just have to do the right minus minus. Sorry, it will be end and start plus plus, and this will going to be end minus minus. Okay, and in the last we have to return if nothing, no duplet is in the answer, then we just have to return an empty array. Okay, so let's return that. Now let's try to run this. Let me check first. So numbers is here, target sum is equals to target, numbers start, numbers end, start plus 1, end plus 1, and minus minus. Okay, so let's try to run this. Okay, this should be end nums dot length minus 1. Okay, now let's try to submit this as well. Okay, so we have successfully solved this question. So thank you. See you in the next video where we will be solving a threesome problem, which will going to be the second question of the series. Bye.